to make flower with salt. Food coloring depends on you. Salt, glue, brush, water. Firstly, mix food coloring and water. Second, sketch flower on the paper. Third, put the glue every line. Fourth, put the salt. 5, cleaning the salt. Color the salt and make sure follow line flower. You can mix color, depends on you. It's done, salt flower. Kids can get learning about 1. Creativity in craft, 2. Creative thinking. Subscribe.
Hi kids! I hope you are happy with the simple activity and don't forget to try at your home.